Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says suppose vector A, vector B, vector C are three non coplanar vectors. So, you know that it is non coplanar vectors. Then this dot this cross this. Look at this. This is very beautiful question. So, can I say that for time being, so this is vector P, I'll assume A plus B plus C as vector P, vector Q A plus C, vector R as A plus B. Now, don't you think that your vector PQR is written in the form of vectors, and those vector A, vector B, vector C are non-coplanar? So can I apply this method P Q R? As first we will write down the combinations, coefficients 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Okay, and then we will be writing this thing, vector A, vector B, vector C. Correct? Let's open this part. So it is 1 times 0 minus 1 minus 1 time 0 minus 1 plus 1 time 1 minus 0, and then box of ABC. Correct? So this is minus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and then box of ABC. So this thing gone. So we got box of ABC. Now look at this. So the value of numerator part is box of ABC, and denominator is also having box of ABC. So that by this will become 1. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.